Growing up in Jamaica was no joke. It wasn't no joke. It was a survival game. From the moment you're born, it starts. You come out crying and granny a rub you with bush. You're introduced to bush tea. For colic, no pampers, no wipes, just cloth and nappy, a bucket of water. Mrs. School days, your uniform starch till it stand up stiff so by itself, but your belly empty. You have to reach early to catch seat under the mango tree, cause real classroom no have enough benches. And the teacher, Lord God, if you no learn, you get a piece of lick and learn at the same time. Lunchtime, tin mackerel and rice, or maybe fried dumpling and butter. For butter, reach me say, sometimes it was just sugar and water, but we belly did full. Never complain too loud. And who can forget when rain fall? Rain never mean cuddle up or chill. Rain mean pipe off. And you better full your pan from before, if not, a river zinc beard or kettle shower for you. Nighttime, if current gone, you light kerosene lamp. And every lizard and mosquito come to keep concert. In your room, no fan, no AC, just purr and a hand fan until sleep take you away. Me remember when my mother send me a shop and say, keep the change. Me feel like a million year, but you better bring back the right thing. No mix up flour with the cornmeal. You might feel the pot cover. As Pitney, you couldn't chat a big people business. Then say you're too fast. You only speak when spoken to, and you have to greet everybody, even the postman. Good morning, Miss Joyce. If you pass and you talk, you're rude. Christmas was the only time you get soda, and even then, you share it like it a holy water. Sorrel in a bottle, black cake in a file, and the smell of curry goat take you over for the whole scheme. But through all of that, we laugh, we learn, we live. Jamaican life was rough, but it raised warriors. It teach with a stretch every dollar to appreciate every meal. Grace your food. And if you survive, and we survive with style, Jamaican people survive with style, you know. So when you see a Jamaican Walk with pride. Just know we never grow easy. We grow strong. Jamaicans, stand firm. We're coming from far. Through all the hurdles and all the pitfall, we made it thus far. Give thanks. One love. Drop a comment in the comment section if this was your story, your survival struggle, and you are still smiling. Share this with other Jamaican warriors. You're proud of it. Jamaicans, I love you. Jamaicans, please support this. Thank you.